In this video, we'll take a look at the top 15 latest Turkish romantic series that you won't want to miss. Starting with number 1. Aşk-ı Hatırla, Remember Love. Aşk-ı Hatırla revolve around Deniz, a renowned architect portrayed by Bahar Ardaç, and Güneş, a popular magazine editor played by Hande Erçel. Both characters are on the verge of marriage when they experience unexpected breakups in their respective relationships. On the same evening, a chance encounter and a mysterious message on their phones set them on a transformative journey. As they navigate this new adventure, they uncover some missing pieces in their relationship and rediscover love. The series delve into themes of fate, second chances, and the complexities of modern relationships. Set against the picturesque backdrops of Istanbul and Cappadocia, the narrative will unfold over 8 episodes. With a compelling storyline and a star-studded cast, Aşk-ı Hatırla promises to captivate audiences. Aşk-ı Hatırla, Remember Love, will be an upcoming Turkish romantic comedy series set to premiere on June 2025. Number 2. Çift Kişilik Order, Double Room. Çift Kişilik Order follows Nilüfer, a young woman who dreams of working at the Lutetia Hotel, a place built by her late parents before they passed away when she was a child. Determined and hardworking, Nilüfer slowly climbs the ranks at the hotel. Meanwhile, Karn, one of the hotel's rightful heirs, returns after years away. His motive is just taking revenge from his cold and controlling stepsister Sevil, who has been running the hotel in his absence. Karn checks into the luxurious king's suite, and his presence shakes the balance at Lutetia. A misunderstanding brings him face to face with Nilüfer, sparking a complicated connection between them. As their lives intertwine, buried secrets, past traumas, and power struggles begin to surface. Nilüfer finds herself torn between her dreams and a growing bond with a man surrounded by mystery and pain. In a world full of ambition, betrayal, and unexpected love, nothing will ever be the same for Nilüfer and Karn. Number 3. Kuma. Ceylan, a kind and dutiful young woman, flees her home when her father attempts to sell her as a second wife, or Kuma, to settle his debts. During her escape, she meets Karan, a wealthy businessman, and they fall in love. However, tragedy strikes when Ceylan is unjustly accused of murdering Karan's brother. To preserve family honor, Karan marries his brother's widow and compels Ceylan to become his second wife, despite her innocence and their prior romantic connection. This arrangement traps Ceylan in a household where she is unwelcome, forcing her to navigate hostility, seek to prove her innocence, and strive to reclaim her place in Karan's heart. Number 4. El Turco. El Turco follows the journey of Balban Hasan, a janissary in the Ottoman army, who is betrayed during the 1683 Battle of Vienna and left for dead. Escaping execution, he ends up wounded in the remote Italian village of Mona, where the locals, especially a woman named Gloria, nurse him back to health. Embraced by the villagers, he settles there and earns the nickname El Turco. Balban falls in love with an Italian girl, Mariana, and becomes a folk hero after organizing a rebellion against the oppressive feudal lords. He trains the villagers in warfare and leads them in a fight for freedom, facing his old enemy, Marco Benedetti di Vicenza. Alongside him, a witch becomes a healer, a homeless girl becomes the first female janissary, and a one-armed blacksmith becomes a crucial ally. Balban's courage and wisdom win the hearts of the people, and after his death, Mona honors him with a yearly festival, La Turcina, celebrating the Turkish hero who once fought for their liberty. From the very first scene, it pulls you in and keeps you there with its beautiful visuals, intense action, and emotional storytelling. Jan Yaman really surprised me. His performance had depth, especially in the more emotional moments. The chemistry between him and Greta Ferro felt genuine, and the whole cast delivered. I loved the historical setting mixed with the drama. It gave the series a unique vibe. Definitely binge-worthy, and I'm already looking forward to season 2. Number 5. Bir İhtimal Daha Var, Bet Your Life. Bet Your Life is a Turkish comedy drama that follows the unusual partnership between Isa, a once legendary sports betting columnist whose luck and life have hit rock bottom, and Refik, a wealthy businessman who is, unfortunately, dead. After losing his job and making dangerous enemies due to failed predictions, Isa encounters the ghost of Refik, who offers him a shot at redemption. Refik has unfinished business. He wants Isa to help solve his own murder. Together, they form a reluctant, oddball duo, Isa, skeptical and desperate, and Refik, commanding and snobbish even in death. As they delve into the mystery behind Refik's death, Isa uncovers dark secrets, navigates through quirky small-town characters, and starts to regain his confidence. Set against the scenic backdrop of Urla in the Aegean, the series blends elements of comedy, mystery, and light drama, with themes of second chances, legacy, and unlikely friendship. While some see it as lacking depth and originality, others praise its charm, cultural flavor, and heartfelt storytelling. Number 6. Eşref Rüya. Eşref Rüya is a romantic mafia series which follows the journey of Eşref, a man who lost his parents at a young age and was forced into the world of crime. Over the years, he rises to power in the underworld, becoming a feared and influential figure. Yet, despite his wealth and authority, he remains trapped in a love he has never truly experienced. For Eşref, orphans are his chosen family, but his search for peace and meaning never ends. That is until he meets Nisan, a talented musician with a past full of secrets. She unexpectedly turns his world upside down, setting off a whirlwind of emotions and danger. As their paths intertwine, love and fate collide in an intense battle between Eşref's dark reality and his longing for something more. With powerful performances from Çağatay Ulusoy and Demet Özdemir, Eşref Rüya promises a gripping mix of romance, action, and drama. After the success of the mafia romance series Adım Farah and Gaddar, I think this series will break many records. Number 7. Pyasa, The Invisible Ties. Pyasa follows Munevver, a young woman from a small coastal town who gets arranged marriage with a rich guy, Adar, on her real mother's wish before her mother died. When Munevver's mother died on the day of marriage, she started to face hardships from her husband. When Munevver realized that Adar is not a right person to live with, she ran away from him, protecting her brother and herself from him. Desperate to save herself, she entrusts her fate to a stranger, embarking on a journey that leads her into Istanbul's glamorous yet perilous media world. Here, she encounters Kenan Akin, Turkey's leading actor, who, despite his fame, battles personal demons and the manipulative control of his mother, Keriman Akin. Meanwhile, journalist Hüseyin Çevik seeks to uncover the dark and hidden truths, while Şefik Azin, a well-known director, grapples with past regrets and present temptations. Story, torn between familial duties and personal aspirations. As their lives intertwine, buried secrets emerge, setting the stage for intense drama and conflict. Before watching Pyasa, I thought it would groundbreaking like Kizil Goncalar, but after the first episode, I can't ignore how it portrays women, helpless, always crying, and taking too long to find their strength. I wish we got strong, independent female leads from the start. Alp Navroj is a big reason many are watching. His screen presence is undeniable and his acting has improved. Number 8. Kalpazaa, the Counterfeiter. The series centers on Adam, an honest clerk at the mint, who attempts to surprise his young son, Arda, with a seemingly innocent gesture. This well-meaning act spirals into chaos, jeopardizing his job, marriage to Jana, and even his relationship with Arda. Amidst this turmoil, Adam's cunning brother, Kartal, arrives and further complicates matters with his reckless behavior and charm. The brothers engage in illegal activities that push them deeper into trouble, drawing the attention of the law. Police officer Aisha, dedicated and perceptive, becomes a significant obstacle in their path. However, an unexpected romance blossoms between Aisha and Kartal, creating a complex web of emotions and conflicts. As the brothers challenge authority and navigate their troubled lives, Aisha's love for Kartal introduces an intriguing twist that could either save or doom them all. The series explores themes of family loyalty, the consequences of seemingly harmless decisions, and the intricate dynamics between love and law. Number 9. Bashka Bir Gun. Bashka Bir Gun is a Turkish remake of Keeping Faith. The series follows Nehir, a successful lawyer who puts her career on hold to care for her children. She leads a seemingly perfect life with her husband, Sardar, until he mysteriously disappears without a trace. As Nehir searches for him, she uncovers shocking secrets about Sardar's past, realizing she never truly knew the man she married. The deeper she digs, the more she finds herself entangled in a dangerous web of lies, betrayal, and crime. With authorities offering little help and danger closing in, Nehir is forced to rely on her own instincts and intelligence. As she fights to protect her family and uncover the truth, she transforms from a devoted wife into a fearless woman willing to risk everything. The series blends intense family drama with mystery and suspense, exploring themes of love, deception, and resilience while keeping viewers on the edge of their seats. Number 10. Zembali. Zembali is a heartfelt drama set in a small town where traditional values blend with modern life. It follows the lives of 4 childhood friends who grew up together, sharing dreams, challenges, and deep bonds of friendship. As they navigate love, family struggles, and personal ambitions, they face both joyful and painful moments that test their loyalty and resilience. Through their intertwined stories, the series highlights the importance of brotherhood, love, and the pursuit of dreams, offering a touching exploration of relationships and the changing dynamics of a close-knit community. Zembali is a heartfelt drama that beautifully portrays love, brotherhood, and the struggles of a small-town community. With strong performances and a focus on values, it offers an engaging and meaningful story without relying on explicit content. Number 11. Shakir Pasha LAC. Set in 1912, this series tells the captivating story of a legendary Turkish artist family with outstanding art direction and a beautifully reconstructed setting. The series beautifully portrays the dramatic and tumultuous story of the Shakir Pasha family, an Ottoman dynasty rocked by scandal and strife. The story begins when Javad, the eldest son of retired Ottoman commander Shakir Pasha, returns from Oxford with his Italian wife, leading to tensions within the family. Javad's bohemian lifestyle and discontent with his father's conservative values clash with his father's military background. The situation takes a dramatic turn when Javad's wife becomes infatuated with Shakir Pasha, sparking a chain of events that will ultimately tear the family apart. As the decades unfold, the family members make their mark on the world. Javad Shakir, known as the Fisherman of Halicarnassus, becomes one of Turkey's most celebrated writers. His sisters, Fahrunnisa and Aliye, carve out their own legacies in the world of art, Fahrunnisa becoming an internationally renowned painter and Aliye the first female engraver in Turkey. Their personal struggles, including a tragic love affair, add depth to their remarkable careers. The series also explores the lives of later generations, including Fureya Korel, Turkey's first ceramic artist. Through its mix of scandal, creativity, and historical significance, the series brings the extraordinary contributions of the Shakir Pasha family to life. However, while the storytelling is compelling, the series suffers from uneven performances, particularly from the child actors, which detracts from the emotional depth. Despite these flaws, the series succeeds in highlighting the family's remarkable contributions and historical significance. Number 12. Sustali Ceylan. Ceylan, portrayed by Sümeyye Erdoğan, is a young woman forced into marriage at an early age to Necmi, an unemployed and abusive man. Her life revolves around her son, Yusuf, for whom she endures daily hardships. Secretly, Ceylan attends a vocational health school, hoping to escape her oppressive life upon graduation. To support her family and continue her education, Ceylan works as a housekeeper and caregiver for the mother of Atmaca Bekri, a powerful figure in the criminal underworld. Atmaca leads a double life, balancing his family with his wife, Mutba, and his affair with Dilara. His trusted confidant, Fahad, is a fearless and intelligent man who becomes captivated by Ceylan's resilience. The narrative takes a dark turn when Yusuf falls victim to an organ trafficking ring due to Necmi's actions, resulting in the loss of a kidney. This tragedy ignites a fire within Ceylan, transforming her from a submissive wife into a determined warrior seeking justice. Fahad becomes her greatest ally in this relentless battle against the criminal world. Number 13. Sahib Sizzler, Six of Us. Sahib Sizzler is a latest Hajal Subasi series which follows the story of six siblings, Azize, Jemo, Zleha, Fidan, Samet, and Balim, who after the sudden death of their parents are forced to navigate life alone. Their tragedy begins with their parents' forbidden love story in Mardin, where Arfat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but she is kidnapped by Yavuz, the son of a wealthy family. After enduring abuse, Bala escapes with Arfat, and they build a peaceful life in the forest, raising their children away from society. However, Yavuz's obsessive revenge shatters their happiness when he finds and attacks them. The children are left orphaned and flee to Istanbul, where they face the harsh realities of the city. With nowhere to go, they seek refuge with Uncle Aslan, a trusted friend of their late father. The siblings must survive on the dangerous streets of Istanbul, evading threats from both criminals and authorities. Azize, the eldest sister, becomes the pillar of strength for the younger children, taking on the responsibility of protecting them. As they struggle to adapt to the vast, unknown city, their bond as a family is their only source of hope and survival. The series explores themes of resilience, survival, and the unbreakable ties of family. Number 14. Karal Kaybeders. Karal Kaybeders follows Kenan Baran, a charismatic and powerful businessman, has always had control over his life, both in business and love. He thrives on his ability to win over women, believing he is untouchable. His marriage to Handan is strained, but he refuses to let go, despite his affairs. Everything changes when he meets Fadi, a young woman from a humble background who refuses to be just another conquest. Their complicated relationship forces Kenan to confront his deepest fears and insecurities. When Fadi realizes Kenan will never leave his wife, she walks away, triggering his downfall. As his wealth and power crumble, Kanan unknowingly seeks help from the same psychiatrist as Fadi. Over 30 years, the once dominant king transforms from a selfish taker to a man who learns the value of giving and redemption. As a viewer, you might appreciate the deep psychological layers of the story, being a true karma story that beautifully captures the rise and fall of a man who once had everything. Even though the storytelling is praiseable, with strong performances from the cast. However, you might feel this series as predictable Turkish drama about infidelity, making it a total waste of time with a weak plot, overly simple dialogues, and an unnecessarily long runtime. You can give it a try, maybe you like it. Number 15. Uzak Sahir, Distant City. Uzak Sahir is an adaptation of the popular Lebanese series Al-Heba. The series follows Alia Albora, who arrives in Mardin from Canada with her late husband's funeral and their young son to fulfill her husband's final wish. Her arrival, however, marks the beginning of an irreversible journey, trapping her within the powerful and dangerous Albora tribe. Sihan Albora, the head of the tribe, is sympathetic to Alia's struggles but refuses to allow her to leave with her child. As Alia grapples with the darkness of the past, hidden family secrets, and the brutal realities of the region, she finds herself at odds with her late husband's family. The show delves into the tension between Alia and the powerful Albora clan, where old grudges and complex relationships complicate her mission. Caught between the love for her son and the violent world she's now trapped in, Alia must navigate a life she never expected. In a setting filled with danger, betrayal, and power struggles, Alia faces a fierce battle for her freedom and the future of her child. As she unravels long-buried secrets, Alia must decide whether she can break free from the clutches of the Albora family or if she will be consumed by it. The series explores themes of family, loyalty, and survival in a harsh, unforgiving environment. And that's not the end. If you want to discover more amazing Turkish series, click on the next video right here. There's a whole world of romance, drama, and unforgettable stories waiting for you. See you there.